The drama between Israel, Hamas, and Turkey has taken another twist, and let me tell you, it feels straight out of a spy thriller. Israeli media dropped a bombshell claim that Hamas has been plotting to assassinate Israel's national security minister, Itamar Ben-Gvir. The story went further, by the way, suggesting that a Hamas-linked group in Hebron had brought explosive drones with money coming from operatives based in Turkey. So on paper, it looked like Turkey's fingerprints were all over the plot. But yes, here's where it gets messier. Turkey has come out swinging, calling the entire story fake. Its official Center for Combating Disinformation said that the claims are nothing more than propaganda. Ankara insisted that the so-called assassination plot is actually 8-month-old and has no connection to Turkey and is being recycled now for political reasons. According to Turkey, Israel is simply trying to tarnish its image and weaken its vocal support for Palestine. And wait, now let's add some context here. Turkey is a NATO member, right? That means it's technically a military ally of the US and the Europe. But for years, its relationship with Israel has been rocky. Their president, Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, has openly backed Hamas as a resistance movement, while Israel sees Hamas as a terrorist organization bent on its destruction. Now, this tension makes every accusation between the two countries a lot more explosive. From Israel's perspective, tying Turkey to Hamas operation helps frame Ankara as a state that sponsors terrorism. Now, from Turkey's perspective, denying it strongly is about protecting its global reputation, specifically at a time when it is trying to position itself as a regional power broker. So, here's a bigger picture. This isn't really about one failed drone plot. It is about narrative control. Israel wants the world to believe that Hamas is being bankrolled and supported by Turkey. Turkey wants the world to see Israel as a master of disinformation, weaponizing media stories to discredit its critics. So, here's the real takeaway. In today's Middle East, wars, they are not just fought with rockets and drones. They are fought with headlines, leaks, and denials. The battle over who gets to shape the global story, well, it may be just as important as what happens on the ground.